All right, boys and girls, here we are, day 13 of our December daily math. There's Taco again. Is it cold in December where you live? Yes. Sometimes very, very cold, right? All right, so here we go. We have the first problem. 6 times 7 is equal to 2 times 7 plus what times 7? So again, this has a special property name of multiplication that we have talked about. And I'm just kind of wondering if you remember what it is, okay? If you can remember that, that is an awesome thing, okay? It comes in handy when trying to solve problems, all right? I'll just share that with you. So let's look at what we have. We have a 6 times a 7, 2 times 7, and something times 7. So let's look at that number 6. Okay, I'm going to put the 6 here. Here's a 2. So let's just cover it. Pretend there's nothing else there. 2 plus something is 6. Or 6 minus 2 is 4. That is correct. Okay, that's all it is. Fact triangle. Way back in the day, right? 2 plus 4 is 6. 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 minus 2 is 4. 6 minus 4 is 2. So we know that 6 times 7 is 42, right? 2 times 7 is 14. 4 times 7 is 28. 14 plus 28, well, 8 plus 4 equals 12. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4. 42. They both equal 42. It worked out. All right, round 489 to the nearest 10. So we're going to put a box around the 10. There's our 8. 8 is in the tens place. So our answer is either going to be 480, or 110 more than 480 would be 490. So now we're going to look at that number 9. Just made it a little bit bigger so you can see it there, okay? We're going to look next door now, remember? And 4 or less, we let it rest. 5 or more, so the 9 is technically more than 5, so 5 or more, raise the score, and here we go. Our answer is 490. Okay, number 3. Circle the measurement unit that makes sense. Lucy is 10 years old, okay, and she is either 49 inches tall or 49 feet tall. Okay, so either she's 49 inches, so each one of these is an inch. So here would be 12 inches tall. Okay. 49 inches. So 12, 24, 36, 48. About 4 feet in an inch. Or 49 feet. 49 feet would be almost 5 stories of a building. Okay. I don't know anybody that's 49 feet tall. I think the tallest person, like the big tall people in basketball, are like 7 feet. Does that make sense? The real tall people are 7 feet. So the one that makes most sense here is she is 49 inches. Okay? Draw a polygon on this grid with an area of 20 square units. What in the world is a polygon? I have no idea. It's a shape with at least 3 sides and 3 angles, and the sides are straight. Okay? So it could be like a rectangle. Okay? As long as there's 20 dots, or 20 squares. So let's go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So if I go like this, there's a polygon that is 20 square units. Again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 14, 17, 20. That's 20 square unit or 20 square units. So there's our polygon. It has a bunch of sides. Okay, you could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10, 15, 20. You could do one that looks like this if you want. That just is the blue. That would be another answer, just the blue. See that? That's 20 square units, 4 rows of 5, right? So that would also work, okay? Here we go, last one. There was a little house, 2 windows and a door. How many windows will there be if there are 7 times more? Ooh, fun little riddly rhyme. Okay, 2 windows and a door. So the door really doesn't matter in this problem, right? Because it says how many windows. Oh, there's our magic words. How many? How many what? How many windows? Okay, so we start with 2 windows. And we're going to have 7 times more. So we have 2 times 7, because it says 7 times more, equals what? Well, 2 sevens. 7 plus 7, 14. And we know the label's windows because it says how many windows. All right. Great job, kiddos. And we will see you tomorrow for your next daily math.